All right, people, today we talk about why regular websites suck, why they don't drive you sales, why they don't make you money, and why they are wasting your time and where you need to evolve, all in the next few minutes. The biggest thing that I see when I look at websites is the way that they're designed, the way that they're structured. And the main reason that they don't make businesses money is because they're not conducive of making you money. They're not designed to drive business, they're designed to be information cards. Now that alone can do something for your business. Having a website is better than not having a website, but realizing that the efficiency of your website is just at an all-time low. It is important to realize that a website, or most websites have an About Us page or a Services page, Contact Us page, it's essentially an online business card. Pushing business cards typically doesn't work anymore. I mean, it's just informational. It's there if somebody needs it. It doesn't create action. It doesn't evoke emotion. They don't capture pain. It doesn't create or funnel people towards where you want them to be, whether it's a sale or whether it's new business. They're not designed purposely to create sales. And when there's not intent and purpose behind your marketing or behind your website, it won't create the desired result. But for most of you, that is more revenue, more sales, and more business. So understand that the reason that your website doesn't work right now is because it isn't conducive of driving business. Now, why is that? For some businesses, it actually makes sense. It's just more an informational placeholder. It's good for people to look up and learn more about you. But again, it doesn't create action. If you're trying to create action from your website, the biggest reason that it's not working right now is because there's too many choices. In marketing or in psychology, it's called decision fatigue. When you have a lot to read, a lot to look at, different tabs, different paths, no idea where to go, it's just kind of up to the decision of the user. A lot of times what happens is that that user is fatigued with decisions. When they don't have a clear-cut path where you are driving them and specifically guiding them to where you want to be. If you don't decide that path that they will go on for them, they will go anywhere. And eventually, typically that looks like they look around, they read a little bit, and then they leave because you haven't purposely given them select decisions and you have too many options for them to go. It creates decision fatigue and you end up not getting their business or not getting the sale. Now, what is the first way that you can take how your website is now and turn it into something that sells? My first recommendation is to create a sales funnel. Anytime that, even if somebody refers business to you, if you have a funnel that is conducive of talking about the ideal outcomes and the pain points, and you drive and create copy around the things that matter, that will create action, you give them one path to go through. One way to create micro commitments, which is an amazing way to initially gain a potential customer base. Also building your email list, which you continue to follow up with over and over and over again, is to do a lead page or some kind of squeeze page. Now, what I recommend is some kind of checklist or a ebook or something that is free that delivers a ton of value. You want them to go through, and even if they don't end up buying from you or booking a call with you right away, you want them to leave saying, wow, if this is what they give me for free, I can only imagine what I get paid. And so we're gonna have more videos on building sales funnels in depth, different videos for different industries, different types of products. But for now, you can go and do your own research, identify where you can create, let's say, your offer and put it into this video. If you want a video on how to design or create an irresistible offer, we'll also put that link in the description down below. Either way, if you create a sales funnel that hits on all of the pain points of your potential customer, whether it is referral based or they are visiting online, they find you through Google, a well-built funnel will create business, whereas a regular website just acts as a online business card or informational license plate for your business. It doesn't create action, and this is the first way that you can do that. The second way that you can look, and even if you don't want to switch out your website right now for a completely different type of website or online presence like a funnel, the next best thing that you can do is look at your offer and look on your website and identify where the copy, where the words that are on the screen are not really influencing decision. Do you have a strong call to action? Do you build emotional rapport through the words, or is it just information? Is it just saying your services and here's what we offer? And we've been around for 15 plus years. It's important that they realize that you're established, but we have a saying in marketing, better isn't better, different is better. Everybody says their product is better, but the way that you actually get through to the potential customer or client is by having words that make them go, wow, this person really understands me. So identify and look at your website right now. Where are the words not creating action or an emotional response to then create action for them to go to the contact us page and then contact you? Or do you not have an opt-in on your front page? These are different areas where you can look at creating action even on the website that you already have, but it all starts with the copy, the words on the page, and how it is displayed in the way that they convey. Look at websites that you know are creating money. Do your research and then go find something in a way that you can model it to the website that you have now. Do your research, craft your offer, edit your copy, and create a structure to your existing website that at least hits them emotionally with their pain points, the ideal outcomes that you offer, and then creating action with a strong call to action, either at the bottom of the page or the top with an opt-in section. Now, the final thing I want you to think about is putting a video on your website. Whether it's at the top or at the bottom, whether you use it on a sales funnel or not, a video that talks about the pain points, that hooks them in, it sells like you do. The goal of any website that actually creates action and generates business for your business is having a website that sells like you do. When you think about how a customer comes in, or you talk to a customer face to face to close them down and get them to buy whatever you're offering, how do you sell? What do you talk about? What actually closes the deal and gets them across the finish line? Are you establishing emotional rapport? And are you even on the website, are you even establishing or addressing objections that they might have? Look at how you sell in person and create a website, create a video that actually addresses how you would sell in person, as if through the camera, as we talk right now and I see you on your website, that you are building that emotional rapport and selling me like you would in person. Don't overthink it. It is just a conversation. Even if you struggle with shooting video content, practice. You can even get a very cheap lavalier mic, something like I'm wearing now, that creates better audio, that allows you to convey and come through clearly through the website to talk to your ideal prospect. As long as you go through this process, you now have the basics, the certain understanding that will allow you to start your journey towards creating a website that actually generates business for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button below, click the subscribe button. Every single video on this channel is intentionally built and talking about exactly what we walk our clients through on a day-to-day basis to have generate 8 figures or more for our clients at this point, and we want to share it with you for free. Our goal is only to over-deliver and help business owners not only survive, but thrive in the coming days. Leave a comment down below. What do you want to see next? Do you want to see us go more into depth for a specific type of funnel, or how to build a funnel, what to look at, and more than that, what you want to see? What challenges are you facing? Leave a comment down below. We look at it, we tailor our content to you as the viewer, and it matters to us. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video.